Welcome back, folks. So, as we're ringing the new year, it is only right that we find out what kind of resolutions people are making.
Don't you worry.
My resolution is to love God more and more every day.
I want house, I want car.
My New Year resolution. I want the Prime Minister call election. We want to get rid of him.
Cut. Get enough money, go back to school, get a better education, and be a new person for 2019.
To have a child. Yes.
My New Year's resolution is to make more money, step up, go higher heights.
John, my New Year's resolution. A long time I try in the music business, but I like to get a hit song for next year. Yeah, for real. I have 2 songs on the road now, but I love to get a hit song for next year.
To get a nice job. I'm a nurse and I really need some more money, so I need a new job for my New Year's resolution.
My New Year resolution, peace. I just want peace in my place.
To get a better job.
More jobs, that people can get jobs where the government can draw its tax to help open more factories, that people can get jobs.
I want more peace in Jamaica. Honestly, that's one of the main things. Less killing of the children, killing of the women and all of that.
As long as my family is healthy and happy, I'm contented.
More love, more peace.
Prosperity, love, unity, strength, dignity, pride, ambition, success, them things them want. You see me, long life, health, love, peace, unity, up.
My New Year's resolution is to get my life better and change my life. I need to serve God.
Yeah, man. Father God, now my heart.
19, whole heap of things, whole heap of money, whole heap of clothes, more nice work. Enough things more, enough things.